Ice cream. That was always my favourite treat. Go on so, Maddie. We'll have a small one each.
Oh, yay! Thanks, Granny. So what flavours do you have, Mr. Moon?
Oh, Mr. Moon makes the best ice cream sandwich. You put a simple scoop of vanilla ice cream between two little wafers, and it is delicious.
That does sound good, Granny. What are the other choices?
Choices? Maddie, I'm afraid this is a small corner shop and the choices are limited.
Actually, I've made a few changes.
Changes? What kind of changes?
I'll show you. Just let me press this button and pull this lever. Oh!
Wow!
Well, what do you think of my super swishy swirly ice cream dream machine?
Oh, Mr. Moon, this is fabulous. Look at all the different ice cream flavours.
And all the colours. It's like a rainbow. This is so cool.
This is cooler than an ice cream truck.
Wow, Mr. Moon. So, what can I get?
I thought you'd never ask.
You have all kinds of choices. Large tub, small tub or cup. Waffle cone, wafers, cake cone. Whatever you choose, I'll fill it up.
I never knew there were so many choices. This is going to be a tough one.
Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Yogurt, smoothies, so many flavours to eat. Now pick your favourite flavour. Chocolate, cherry, rainbow. Bubblegum, caramel or mint chip. Vanilla cookie, just let me know.
Wow! They all sound so yummy. But how will I choose one?
Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Yogurt, smoothies, so many flavours to eat. Ice pops, sorbet, they cool you in the heat. Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Now pick your favourite topping.
But wait!
Raisins, sprinkles and gummies. Honeycomb, granola, fresh fruit.
Stop! Mr. Moon, this is really cool, but there's just so many choices. I couldn't concentrate on them all. I don't know what to choose.
Oh, no, Maddie. You don't look happy.
If I choose strawberry, will it go with sprinkles? Or if I choose mint, will it go with the chocolate balls? What if I make the wrong choice?
Oh, Maddie, darling, don't be worrying. Sure, you can't go wrong with ice cream. I know you'll make a great choice.
Now pick your favourite flavour. Chocolate, cherry, rainbow. Bubblegum, caramel or mint chip.